Today I have this trailer. This is a Great Dane trailer. But what I'm going to tell you, what I'm going to show you right now is the problem. This problem over here. As you can see, the frame is cracked over here. This is a large crack, and that is actually something then DOT can pull you out of service when you are traveling over the states. This is a very important thing to check, because you cannot know. I mean, you can, in this case, you can notice it like super bad, but in some cases they're hidden somewhere in areas where you cannot see it just so easy. So DOT's officers, they're looking for this kind of stuff. That's the main goal, to find something like this. They gonna pull you out of service, no question asked, when they see something like this, because the frame is cracked. This won't affect that much, but it will, because eventually the crack is gonna go to the other side of the frame. Let's see if we can see on this side. We can see the crack over there, but let's see if we can see the oh yeah, it goes all the way over here, as you can see. So this crack is really bad. So definitely they're gonna pull you out of service, no questions asked. That means then the whole frame is cracked. Oh yeah, the whole thing is cracked, as you can see. It's a big crack in this case. So the only area that is holding the chassis is just this part over here. If this part breaks, the whole sliding axle will be completely disconnected from this area of the chassis, which is the 4 axle, axle number 4. So I was thinking that this thing can be welded, but the way it is, this thing cannot be welded at all. It's completely destroyed. So it needs to be replaced. The whole thing has to be replaced. The whole axle, the whole sliding axle. They say the whole sliding axle, I think around for $5,000, something like that. It comes with everything. The only thing it doesn't come is with the rims and the tires. But that is completely out of service if DOT officer find you with this kind of problem. So make sure to go under your trailer and check this kind of stuff. Also the trucks. On the trucks, if they find something like that, they wanna pull you out of service, no matter what. And what I can see over here is then, I think this happened because something hit it, because this thing is bent over here. I don't know how that happened, but something hit it with something. I don't know. Maybe what I believe is then this front axle was going somewhere, and they like hit it over here, and it pushed this area to the back, and then it bent from here. That's all I believe. There is no other way than this could happen. It is just that way. This is super bad. So, well, there is no other way to fix this but only replacing the axle. Well, too bad. I was just going to tell you just to weld it right now, because that's usually the solution. If you have a little crack, just a small crack, welding it, it will be the solution. That's what DOT officer asks you to do, weld it. But in this case, it is not good to weld it, because the whole frame is cracked side to side, and it cannot be fixed just like that. So well, this was just a quick video about the problem that this trailer has, and as you can see from far away, you can see it. So there is no way to hide that from a DOT inspection. So this trailer cannot be used at all until that thing gets replaced. So so far that was all I'm going to be showing you. You have questions about this problem, you can use the comment section below. If you want to share opinions, if you want to share experience and stuff like that, you can use that comment section, because this is very important to check. And yes, this doesn't supposed to be happening, because there is other trailers over here like this one. This is an old trailer. and this trailer doesn't have any problems like that. Yeah, it looks clean. And we have another trailer over here, and these are new trailers, so it's gonna be fine. 2019. So here's another trailer. This is a 2016, I believe. And yeah, see, it is clean. So that happened because someone hit it with something. This is a 2016 trailer too, and people just don't care. See how the doors are and everything. So this is just some stuff. So well, that'll be all about the video. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.